Alrighty guys, welcome to Wednesday. It's been almost a week since I did the last update, mainly due to my vacation over the weekend, but then the beginning of this week was just me relaxing, kind of catching back up on projects, and now finally it's Wednesday, first day back to streaming, and today we started on the revisit of the making a game for the Chandler Game Jam, which I talked about at the beginning of the last devlog. But basically, making a game. This time we've changed it up to make it in Excel. We kind of ditched Google Sheets. We're making it in Excel, and this time I'm allowing myself to use a VB script, which is the scripting language that Excel uses. So yeah, it's going interestingly. It's kind of like an abomination, but if I go ahead and run it, if I go ahead and run the right thing, you will notice that we have this little snake character here. And on the left side here, we are playing snake. We are trying to guess the word, which is turkey by default right now. And there's actually no letters for me to show you of it working. But as you go and collect letters, if you get it right, it'll show up a part of the word. Your snake will not grow in length. But if you get a incorrect letter, your snake will grow in length. Of course, making the game more difficult and continue on that way. Again, this is me incorporating Polymorph's game, which was like a hangman style game, and then changing up with mine, which is kind of snake and collecting letters that way. And yeah, so this was all done on the stream today. This is as far as I got to the, as well as off stream. So what's currently left is a way for you to get new letters on here, so refresh your letters, and then also have the actual hangman here kind of changes the appearance based upon what you have wrong wise, and then I need a game end and a game start state. But other than that, we have a game started. Snake Man is in progress. So anyways, just the update for today. Lots of other project work outside of stuff, just updating things, getting things caught back up for my website, API, that stuff. Got some ChanceCube stuff out. I put a new version of ChanceCubes out today. But beyond that, just kind of more of maintenance and behind the scenes stuff that's just too boring for me to really go over here. So anyways, Wednesday, yeah, I don't know. Catch you guys next one. Alrighty, how's everyone doing today? Hopefully the 3D printer behind me isn't too loud. It's printing out some more stuff for the DIY server rack that I'm doing soon. But I want to give you an update on this Friday. It is now Friday. These past few days I've been working basically just on this game here, which is the game for the Chandler Game Jam, which is the snake crossover with hangman game. We've basically got it done. There's a little more polishing to do, but more or less the game is here. You can start it up. You can go and collect letters on the board. Your snake will now grow in size, and you can actually guess the word, and you can also get this to refresh the board's letters, and kind of go about it this way. And if you get the word right, you go into a new round, everything will kind of restart, but you'll keep your snake's length, and that's kind of how you end up losing, is you just become too much to manage, you eat yourself like that, and the game ends and it restarts. So at any rate, short updates. Yeah. Alrighty, it's Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Yeah, I've been bad about making these updates. Not totally my fault, though. The weekend we just had was Memorial Day weekend here in the US, which was a holiday on Monday, so that weekend was more spent with family and whatnot. I didn't do much work on projects and whatnot, so a little bit was that, but yeah, I've been kind of lacking on both doing these devlog videos, also streaming. Yeah, so at any rate though, in front of me here, I'm currently working on finishing the Chandler Game Jam video, which will go out tomorrow morning. This will be done soon. I'm doing my final pass through, and I'll upload the video to YouTube, get that out of there. And then also this weekend, because of the Memorial Day weekend, I was actually at home. I helped, or my dad helped me to help teach me how to make a cabinet that will become the server cabinet, which I'll have back here, which will be a video in the future. I didn't really record any of that process though, which was kind of a shame, but it was more for me to learn as well. So hopefully the video I can at least make from that is interesting. But basically the whole server rack I've been saying I'm going to be making for all the stuff that's on my workbench over here, we'll be going in that. So I have that now. I just got to do the last bits, which are painting it, and then also 3D printing some spacers out for the server posts, rack posts things. But yeah, so that is my update for right now. Stream tomorrow. We'll probably be working on either Chance Keeps or server or website stuff. So that'll be tomorrow. So I will probably be catching you guys tomorrow after the stream, and hopefully this video goes out and you guys enjoy it. So anyways, I'll hopefully see you guys then. Alrighty, so Saturday. Today is supposed to be my stream. Allergies and everything else is kind of getting to me, so I just could not stream today. Streams have been kind of very inconsistent lately, so it's been rough, but hopefully I can start hitting a rhythm soon, maybe, I don't know. So as far as what I'm doing right now, I have printed 4 more of these. These are these spacer things. This is for the 12 Raspberry Pi 2U rack mount system. So I have all but one of these printed, and then I need to print the ears. So the next print I'll do is 1 more of these with 2 ears on them. And then I also need to 3D print some spacers for the cabinet that I have going. And then the spacers, along with painting it, is all that's left with the cabinet. So then I can get it all assembled, and I can bring it up to replace this thing, which will hopefully happen this weekend. That way I can get a video going for this for, not this Wednesday, because this Wednesday will be this video, for the following Wednesday. Yeah, so even though I'm not streaming today, hopefully I can still somewhat be productive and still somewhat get stuff done. We'll see, but fingers crossed. Okay, so it's still Saturday. The first half of the day wasn't all that great, not very productive. Second half of the day was much better though. A lot of just kind of organizing stuff around this house, but part of that was getting the 3D printing of the spacers for the server done and complete. I printed 1 out, it worked, it seems to be pretty good, so I'm going ahead and printing 5 more. That's currently what's printing here. This is the second try of this. The first one got 5 hours in and promptly failed. Like, one of these just popped off the hot plate here, which kind of, you know, kills the print there. You can't really print anymore when that falls off. I think what the issue was, the air conditioning here. It blows out and down towards it. So I think when that ran, this just got cold and it kind of, you know, popped it off because it was warm, quickly got cold, shrunk, and then just popped off the plate. I think that's kind of what it was. But anyways, I closed the events, so hopefully now I can leave this overnight and it'll actually print and it'll come out fine. It's like a 16-hour print. We got, what, 15 and a half hours left, so it's gonna be a long one. But hopefully that when I get tomorrow afternoon, those will be done, be good. Tomorrow I'll be painting the server rack and then assembling this all together. I need to go get screws for it. But hopefully tomorrow it'll be done, painted, and ready to be assembled and ready to be brought up here. And the only thing that's left to print is 1 more of the holders and then the 2 ears for the Pi 2U rack mount. So close, so close. So, at any rate, catch you guys tomorrow. All right, morning everyone. Forgot to do a final update last night before I went to bed. Currently dying of allergies, but beyond that, to finish off the video, yesterday I did finish off 3D printing of the spacers for the server rack, and then I actually painted the server rack. So this is what it is right now. It's a little hard to see, I'm so close. Basically it's painted black now. There's this nice big cabinet, all black. I'll have to check it over to make sure I got everything, but it looks pretty good. So hopefully soon I'll be able to take this and then move it upstairs into my office and then actually use it and put everything together. So close. But anyways, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry about that echo in my garage. But anyways, thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Peace out.